How to redeem Taco Bell promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Taco Bell promo code and then search for it. First up, I'm gonna show you guys how can you get a working promo code for Taco Bell. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Taco Bell. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Simply Codes. Once you're in the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Taco Bell. Just scroll down and check out the offers. In order to grab any of the offer, what you have to do is click on the option of use code. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Then you can go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you can type in the code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. So that way you can easily redeem the codes. Likewise, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working coupon code for Taco Bell. So this way you can easily redeem Taco Bell promo code. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.